think culture is nearly everything.
Group attitude, how to behave with each other and how to produce work in our society.
People from different countries, from different cultures behind them, how much can really love contemporary dance.
So there are large areas across the borders and in this part of Slovenia where the audiences have no access to high quality contemporary dance art. Our program is aimed at these audiences.
The Trace of Domenico Dell'Aglio is a project which was realized within the EU framework program IST. The idea was to support small and medium-sized museums. So culture is not only painting and museums and theater and dancing, it's very bright.
The culture is not living in itself. The culture is always attached to something. The Museum of Fine Arts in Budapest is one of the most important museums of Hungary. Actually, this is the biggest new cultural development in Budapest.
Kultura kot taka ni nek samostojen cilj v okviru naših programov, ampak je recimo vedno v funkciji.
You don't have culture, so you can apply for culture.
Področje kulture vedno v navezavi na turizem.
Always in some kind of tourism or rural development, you have to put some cultural things.
Načeloma zdaj smo trenutno v 9 strateških projektih, smo bili uspešni v prvem krogu razpisa na Sloveniji in Italiji. Nosilci smo na enem v vrednosti 3 milijona 300, torej Tradomo, na vseh ostalih sodelujemo.
Heart of Istria become kind of brand. Everybody now knows in Istria and in Slovenian part of Istria what is Heart of Istria. But it was, as I told you, just many books.
And I think also we should tell the people who are responsible for the money and for everything that is very important to fund a cultural institution.
Kot je bilo že danes povedano, je ravno evropsko povezovanje in sodelovanje tudi eno recimo od ključnih ali pa zelo pomembnih politik na nivoju države oziroma politik Ministrstva za kulturo, ki tudi v prihajajoči Evropski prestolnici kulture 2012 vidi eno od prioritet. Tudi upam, da bo v nadaljevanju te današnje razprave in predstavitev in seveda tudi vsega, kar se boste naučili, na nek način dovolj prezentno jasno, kar pomenijo evropski projekti, kar pomenijo povezovanje in tudi sodelovanje. In ravno v tem, mislim, da v Brbotanju je ta neka naša priložnost, skratka priložnost kulture, da dejansko pokaže tisto svojo ustvarjalnost, znotraj katere so, mislim, da tudi njene največje odlike.
So when we started with these EU projects, we were just a partner.
For me, going into this process with the partners from Hungary, Croatia and Slovenia was to see if it would be easy to understand each other on this aspect or maybe we differ.
Because we have been in a position in European projects when we were executing things and we felt really somehow abused. I mean, we were executing and the others were cashing in money.
I see many projects going on in Hungary, and I see what's happened if there are problems with especially with the main organizer.
But I said, if we are going to do it, we are going to do differently. And this is how we learned what we shouldn't do to our partners.
The most important part is the cooperation of project partners, the exchange of knowledge and experiences.
We gained some knowledge, and we decided to use this knowledge to continue.
Videli smo, koliko težav so imeli glavni projektni partnerji, da so pridobivali njihove finančne poročila, na kakšen način so oni vodili, kako so nas stimulirali, da smo pravočasno dajali poročila. To je za nas danes bogata izkušnja pri pripravi novih čezmejnih projektov.
So we find really good partners in the Slovenian part. Now we can go on because we trust them, and this is also a very important thing in these cross-border things.
interna organizacija in sposobnost posameznikov, to je pa ključnega pomena.
The institutional and human resources. First of all, having a good project team.
Jasno nismo vedeli, kaj, kako in smo se potem poskušali mi interno organizirati, tako da smo lahko potem bili pripravljeni na nove izzive.
I'm the leader of the project team, and that's because I know we can making better our works.
Zelo pogosto smo koristili zunanje strokovne sodelavce, še danes jih koristimo.
Always you must using external services, but you must establish the interior support in the establishment. Always you will be criticized. You had always opponents.
Because there are differences among us and which we have to respect.
Now with Heart of Istria we employ one person and she's now responsible for all the cultural projects and a future EU funding.
Mi smo se pa namensko odločili, da dela naših internih strokovnjakov ne bomo refundirali, ker namreč smo se odločili, da je tega birokratskega dela tle preveč. Mnogokrat mi sami se ne moremo prijaviti oziroma bi potrebovali recimo podporo Centra za socialno delo, potrebujemo muzej zraven. Te službe so že toliko zasedene, da enostavno nimajo kadra, kateri bi se s tem ukvarjal.
It's very much important that you know why you are entering the European project.
If we are not in the EU project, we would have the festival anyway.
It's very difficult to start from scratch.
Kako smo se lotili pomoč pri projektnem sodelovanju? Zavedali smo, da izkušenj nimamo. Pomoč, na kakšen način smo se mi sploh lotili z delovanjem projektov?
It's not necessary that you have to reinvent yourself. It's maybe something what you're already doing, but you don't know that you could apply for it at European level.
Ključnega pomena so bile za nas razvojne agencije. Predvsem regionalni razvojni center Koper, ne tle sta ob strani.
We visited all the partner cities and the project partners to know their institutions.
Zelo veliko so nam pomenile mednarodne partnerstva. Mesto Koper je pač v jadransko-jonski pobudi.
Which are the key of the success? First of all, the positive motivation of the decision makers.
Poslušali smo pač državne institucije, ministrstvene agencije, večkrat smo jih poklicali, poprašali za mnenje.
Our chief director has a good relation with all political sides.
Mi smo pač vedno iskali, nič narobe, če kaj ne vem, bistveno, da se znajdim, nekoga vprašam.
I don't want to speak about difficulties because they're evident. They're organizational difficulties, communicational difficulties, but those are self-evident.
Slabe izkušnje so pa pač vedno pri financah, vedno se kaj zaplete.
Be aware that 50% of all the money you have to finance yourself.
We will have problems with the green activists.
I believe that the good cooperation of the project partners and the individual involvement are the essential factors which make the project